This is a clutch plate and engage and disengage the clutch through the gearbox, and this is a pressure plate. This is a pressure plate is the pressing engage and disengage the gearbox. Clutch plate fixing, this is a adjustable pressure plate, and this is a clutch plate and fixing the shaft engage and disengage through the engine to gearbox into gearbox. This is a vibration control spring, and this is a adjustable clutch plate pressure plate, sorry. And this is a finger release, pressing the release bearing through the pressure plate through the clutch plate and engage and disengage the gearbox. And this side fitting, and this shaft plate pressure plate before front, and back side is clutch plate. This is a release bearing press the pressure plate press the engage and disengage the clutch plate. Thank you watching for my video.